Hey guys, Joe Spice making a box opening of 2020 Women's Division. Oscar. So, China, I'm thinking she's going to get inducted very soon. Because I noticed WWE is promoting China a lot more than normal. So, like all of a sudden she's got wrestling cards and all of a sudden she's doing all this stuff and that. So let's see how it is. I've never bought this year's product. I've bought many of the years before. So I can't wait to get a Dana Brooke autograph or Nadia relic. So let's see what I get. It's just one pack? Yep, one pack. All right. The past products has been like about 20 packs. Come on. Hold on. I can't open it. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Had to put my phone down for a second while I opened it. So, let's see what I get. You get one autograph, one relic, and who knows. So, first card. Shayna Baszler. Alexa Bliss. The man. Shayna Baszler again. Nikki Cross. The man again. Fuck, Shayna Baszler's like all over this product. Holy shit. And so is Becky Lynch. Look, there's another Becky Lynch. Holy. Even up quite a few of her, too. Carmella. My boy, do you like a Hawk? Pulled a nice. Oh, that's not Carmella. That's Natalia. Never mind. Tamina. Or no, that's Mia Yim. Is it Mia Yim look fat there? Another the man. Alexa Bliss. Ronda Rousey. Asuka. Mandy. Baszler again. Candice LeRae. Bayley. Charlotte. Fuck. Shayna Baszler again. Nikki Cross. The Kabuki Warriors. Is that Baszler again? Yeah, it is. Holy fuck. Iconics. I missed them. I miss the Iconics. Nice Lacey Evans. A green. Bayley. Number to 75. 15 of 75. Okay, I'm going to show you the rest. Maryse. Lana, my girl Lana. She's no longer part of the WWE. Blackheart. Naomi. Peyton Royce. Tegan Knox. That's old school. Alicia Taylor. I don't even know who that is. Same with this one. Kaden Card. Never heard of her. I don't know who Shayna Baszler is either. Yes, of course I do. Amber Moon. Charlie Caruso. Jasmine Dukes. Superstars. Carmella. Asuka. Sonya Deville. Liv Morgan. Scotty. Liv Morgan. Peyton Royce. Bailey. Breaking Barriers. Nia Jax. China. Chuckity Chinese chicken. Alundra Blaze. Another China. The man, Becky Lynch. Another China. Okay, now my two hits are my relic. Oh, wait. So my relic is number 92 of 99 of Nikki Cross. Nice jumbo relic anyways. Could have been worse. Could have been better. She's Miss Money in the Bank currently. No, she's the Raw Women's Champion currently. She just cashed it in. And she beat Charlotte. She's the champion. So that's a decent hit now. And my autograph. Number 3 of 99. Another person that follows me. Ember Moon. So Ember Moon. Nikki Cross. A Bailey base out of 75. The rest are all base. Alright, guys. Peace. Okay, boss. Bye.